How to create custom Christmas gifts with EufyMake E1. Part 1. Custom foil stamped gift box. Start by switching to the standard flatbed and placing your gift box on it. Tap Snapshot, the machine will automatically measure the height and take a positioning photo. Next, design and align your pattern. Select the image and choose Flat Raised Craft Mode. Scroll down and pick White Foil Stamping Ink Mode. Then you're ready to print. Make sure to use flexible white ink for this step. Once printing is complete, lay the foil stamping film over the printed area. Use the handheld heat press to smoothly glide and press over the film. And there you have it, a beautifully foil stamped gift box. Part 2. Custom Hollow Embossed Christmas Gift. First, cut your base material to size, then place it on the platform. Tap Snapshot. And upload your prepared design. Select the image and choose Relief Texture Craft Mode. Set your desired printing thickness. Then, tap Print. After printing, choose a photo that holds special memories and print it as well. Arrange everything in a photo frame, and your gift is complete. Start designing your one-of-a-kind Christmas gifts with EufyMake E1 today.